When I was in Greece, I had this appetizer just about every day. So I decided to make these into a bite-sized appetizer that you can do at home in 15 minutes or less. All you need is phyllo pastry. You can get this frozen at your grocery store. Then we're gonna cut this into thirds. It's gonna be wrapped in a Macedonian feta with some herbs, super creamy, it's delicious. I like to make them 1-biters, so I'm cutting them kind of into 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch. So we're gonna take each piece of phyllo and brush it very lightly with olive oil. Take a couple of fresh oregano, and we're gonna kind of wrap it up like a present. We're gonna go turn, like so, and we're gonna repeat until the end of the block is done. So before they go in the oven, we just do a final light brush with olive oil so that the phyllo gets nice and brown. After that, we're gonna put it in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at 375. So as you can see, they are golden brown and crispy. So to finish, we're gonna drizzle with a little bit of hot honey. This is honey infused with chilies. I like to sprinkle with some white and black toasted sesame seeds, 1 to 1. To finish, if you love a little kick like I do, these are chili threads. This crispy phyllo wrap feta is a perfect holiday appetizer. It's quick, it's easy, it's delicious, and it looks beautiful on your table.